Mi gente, how's it going? My name is Timba, and in this video, we're going to be learning a brand new move called Patada. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! I'm hit straight into it. Let's start out with somotuno. Here we go. 5, 6, somotuno. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. One more. Y 1, 2, 3. Patada. 6, 7. What's going to happen is we're going to jump forward with both our feet on the 1. Then we're going to hop back on the 3. Then hop forward again on 5, back on 6. Then what's going to happen next? Kicking with that right foot on 7, feet together 8. And then somotuno. 2, 3, 5, 6. Let's do it again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Patada, 6, 7, and forward, hop, forward, back, kick together, basic, 2, 3, allí, nada más. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. This helps me and the channel tremendously so we can reach out to others and share the love of dance. Muchas gracias, and back to the video. Alright guys, so the main thing for patada is the timing. You want to make sure you're timing your hops on the 1, 3, 5, 6, and then kicking on 7, and then feet together on 8. I can't stress it enough. It's extremely crucial because now we're playing with time, and also it shows some playfulness that we're doing with it, right? So we're emphasizing the 1 beat, the 3 beat, the 5 and 6, and then the 7, and then feet together on that 8, right? To kind of say we're done, and then basic, right? So make sure those hops are nice and clean, right? We're not hopping on like the, for example, we're not going like 1, and then we're late, right? Really hop on the 8 and land on that 1. 3, right? So for example, 1, 2, 3, patada, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, right? So I'm kind of just jumping just a tiny bit earlier so I can get there on time. Same with the kick, like I mentioned last time. We're not doing any Street Fighter going high with that kick, right? No. Kicking right by the shin, so we have control of that kick, and then when we come back feet together, much easier access to step forward that left leg on that 1 for my basic to end it, right? So let's try this in halftime with music, and then we'll do it at full speed, all right? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, patada. Y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Double time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more. Patada. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. One more time. Get ready. 5, 6, patada. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Y allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, this will conclude our lesson for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos and check out this cool playlist of all the previous moves that we learned. Muchas gracias. My name is Timba Heat. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.